1. Turn on the remote by pressing shock or vibration button, and then choose a channel CH1, CH2, or CH3 by pressing the CH button. 2. Adjust the level by pressing plus or dash button, make sure the level above 1. Accept the beep mode. 3. Press the power button on the receiver at least 5 seconds. Then it will beep, and go to the pairing mode. Now, you will see the indicator light is flashing. 4. Press the vibration button or shock button on the remote. Then you will hear a beep again. That means the pairing is successful. 5. If you have 2 or 3 receivers, just choose the different channel, and pair it as above same steps. 6. If you want to train the dogs at the same time, you can choose a channel, and then synchronize the receiver to the same channel. Test the shock function. Take out the test bulb and put it on the receiver's contact point. Press the shock button, make sure the level above 1. The test bulb will be lit. Press the light button to light the LED of the remote. Press again, the LED will be off. If you long press this button for 2 seconds, the white LED on the receiver will be on. Long press it for 2 seconds again, it will be off. Waterproof test. The receiver still works well, even if you put it into water, just like what it usually does. You can charge the remote transmitter and receiver, or the 2 receivers, simultaneously. You can use your own adapter for charging, which is not included in the package. Any type of adapters with double-end charging cable is okay. Attach the receiver to the belt collar and connect the rope to the remote.